So we're here in the new MiniTool Movie Maker free edition 5.0, but we are here to tell you one catastrophic reason why there is absolutely no way you should be upgrading to MiniTool Movie Maker free 5.0. Stay on 4.0, okay? The interface looks very familiar, as you know, you'd usually recognize. There are no new features really to speak of that we can find that are worth upgrading for in any case, I would say. But the most devastating thing, if you go up to the player and click export, okay, all the options are very similar. We've got the same formats available, slightly different interface here, but look now, free edition limitations. Export the first 3 videos without limit length. Okay, we've been able to export without limit length before. Number 2 though, afterwards export videos up to 2 minutes in length. So 2 minutes is next to nothing. If you are creating and editing videos that are more than 2 minutes in length in total, stay away from MiniTool Movie Maker free 5.0. There is nothing to upgrade for. You can keep on using 4.0, but that length, I would suggest most people that are editing videos are creating ones that are more than 2 minutes in length. It has pretty much bricked this version of MiniTool Movie Maker. So do not upgrade to 5.0. When you start 4.0, it will prompt you to upgrade. Click no. Stay well away from it, because you can only export videos up to 2 minutes in length. And apart from a couple of UI enhancements like this with no extra features, it is literally the same program as 4.0. There's a little key up here, so you can register it now. If we do click on this, so if you register it will remove those limits. If we look at the best value plan, it's now $60 for a year, which gives you a perpetual license, lifetime free upgrade, and 1 license for 3 PCs and all the features. But it does not include tax. So if you're in the US, you're going to have sales tax add-on. If you're in the UK, you're going to have 20% VAT on top here. And if you don't want the ultimate outlay all at once, you have to pay $12.99 plus tax a month to have license for 1 PC. So comparative to MiniTool Movie Maker 4, where you could install as many PCs as you want for exactly the same features, now you have to pay to be able to export videos over 2 minutes in length, and the price could end up to hundreds of dollars a year once you factor in tax. So there is literally no point in upgrading. There is nothing new apart from this extreme restriction. There is still no watermarks, but look, you know, it is not worth upgrading whatsoever. We've tested it, the exporting isn't any faster. Apart from some really minor UI upgrades, there is nothing extra in this version that is worth losing the ability to export videos longer than 2 minutes for. So make sure you avoid MiniTool Movie Maker free 5.0. Stay on 4.0.